Welcome to the future of boating. We're aboard the brand new Scout 235D. This boat has been in development for over 2 years and it's one of the greatest, most innovative models that we've ever built. This boat incorporates a new digital switching system that's been developed by Seastar Solutions, and it also has an innovative windshield design which has never been seen in a model this size. As we're aboard the Scout 235D, this boat has great seating. You have two helm chairs, or two captain's chairs behind the glass windshield, another bench seat that's reversible in the cockpit of the boat, so you can move facing forward or aft. Then also pull-out seats here in the cockpit that provide plenty of seating for your passengers on board. Here at the helm, and one of the most innovative things of this model is the incorporation of digital switching into a 23-foot boat. This is technology that we've traditionally only used on our boats from 30 plus feet. We now have it in our 23. Some of the great things about this technology is that it allows you to turn your boat on and off through a push-button remote, similar to what a car would allow you to do. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the boat on. It's now firing up. You hear a quick beep and you know that the boat is on. Garmin screen's firing up, and any other items that you want to program into the system to automatically turn on, you can do that with just a simple press of a button. Here at the helm, you'll notice there are no switches any longer at the helm. Everything is incorporated into your touchscreen Garmin unit. This boat comes standard with a 7-inch Garmin. You can upgrade all the way to a 12-inch Garmin if you would like. Also programmable into this system is the key fob. It's got multiple controls here. Each one of these controls you can program to turn on things as simple as lights, pumps, any of the functions of the boat. You can simply push a button and turn it on. Here at the helm, you'll notice just a beautiful windshield design. This windshield is actually incorporated into a 3-piece fiberglass mold and gives it a distinct look that you won't find anywhere else in its class. You'll notice also that this windshield has a beautiful finish as it bonds seamlessly into the back of the boat. In the bow of the boat, you have deep seats that provide a lot of comfort and security for anyone who's sitting in the bow of the boat. Back to the helm area, we have a remote mount right at the helm that allows you to easily utilize the button functions on the remote as you're driving. Also, you'll see all your digital switches preloaded into the Garmin unit. This is a very comfortable boat, both to drive and a very comfortable boat for all the passengers that may join you out on the water. For more information, please go to scoutboats.com. And again, this is the 235D.